Today we're checking out Task Magic, an AI-powered automation builder that lets you create browser-based workflows using plain language, no code required. If you've ever tried to automate something repetitive, scraping data, filling forms, moving information between tools, you know how fast it gets technical. You're either wiring together API steps you barely understand, or you're copying and pasting the same thing every morning like it's your job. Task Magic's Copilot changes that. You describe what you want and it builds the workflow for you. Here's how it works. You open the builder and type out your automation in plain English. Something like, every day at 8 a.m., scrape the top products from Product Hunt, then put those in a Google Sheet. From there, Copilot reads the prompt and breaks down exactly what needs to happen to make it run. No flow diagrams, no manual trigger setup. It figures out the logic on its own. The first thing Copilot does is identify that it needs a browser agent to scrape Product Hunt, and it starts building that agent automatically. You don't touch the browser. Copilot handles the build while you watch. And it's not just scraping. If you need to go somewhere and submit something, click something, type into a field, the same process applies. Once the browser agent is built, Copilot assembles the rest of the workflow around it. It adds the schedule trigger, the Google Sheet step, and then walks you through configuring each app. Time zone, spreadsheet selection, worksheet, one step at a time, like a guided setup. No guessing what goes where. When everything's configured, you click Run End-to-End and Task Magic launches the browser agent, scrapes your target, and drops the results straight into your spreadsheet. Once it's published, the workflow runs as a fixed, deterministic flow. No AI rerunning on each execution or credits burning in the background every time it fires. For teams that prefer more control, the original manual builder is still there. You can insert browser agents into existing workflows, add individual click and type steps, and build things out by hand if you need to. But for most use cases, Copilot gets you there faster. If you've been putting off automating something because it felt too technical, or if you're tired of duct taping manual steps together every day, Task Magic makes it approachable. Click buy now to start automating your browser workflows with Task Magic today.